Welcome, guys. Let me guess, you're after a new light for your ceiling? It's ever so essential to have good lighting in your room. But have you realized every light looks good in the picture and on the website? But not to worry, we are here to show you how well it'll look in reality. We needed a new light for our ceiling. Argos offered a stylish light with 3 lights at bargain price. Beautiful with brass effect, frosted glass. Bulbs not included though. Looked good at page. We'll see how it's going to look in reality. We'll unbox and install it for you. Very reasonably priced as well. Right, that's how it looks after installation, but do stick around till end as we'll show you how to install it. In the box, you'll find pretty much everything required to have that installed. Screws, plugs, and plastic spanner to fix the glass. No bulbs though, you have to order separately. Very sturdy and well built and designed. You can be sure that this ain't going anywhere until someone starts swinging with it. So this is our room ceiling. This is where we'll be installing it. To make it more appealing and attractive, we have added polystyrene ceiling rows first. Not very expensive at all. Frosted white glass gives the classy edge. Installed using supplied plastic spanner. There you go, all ready to house their bulbs we bought. The bulbs we chose are not very powerful ones due to the energy efficiency rating, but these will do the job. Hope you like it and find it useful, and it helps you decide. Thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.